If you're seeing the Epic Games error connecting to server, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can get the launcher working again. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including server outages, incorrect system time, DNS problems, launcher cache issues, VPN conflicts, or permission errors. The good news is that most of these can be fixed at home in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the problem is not on your computer at all. Open your browser and go to the Epic Games status page. Once you're there, look for the system status and make sure everything says operational. If Epic Games is having a platform-wide outage or a server issue, there may be nothing wrong with your setup, and you'll simply need to wait until they resolve it on their end. If the servers are up and running, the next step is to sync your system clock. A wrong date or time can cause certificate errors, and that can stop Epic Games from connecting properly. On Windows, open Settings, then go to Time and Language, then Date and Time. Find the Sync Now option and click it. This makes sure your computer's clock matches the correct time from Windows servers. After syncing, try opening Epic Games Launcher again and see if the error is gone. If you're still having the same problem, the next fix is to flush your DNS and reset Winsock. This helps clear out network issues that may be blocking the launcher from reaching Epic Games servers. To do this, search for command prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. In the black window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type -h winsock reset and press Enter again. Once both commands have run successfully, restart your computer. This step is very important because it refreshes your network stack and can fix connection errors that seem random but are actually caused by local network settings. After your computer restarts, the next thing to do is restart your modem and router. Sometimes your internet connection itself just needs a clean refresh. Unplug both your modem and router from power. Wait at least 30 seconds and then plug them back in. Give them a minute or two to fully reconnect and then try Epic Games Launcher again. A fresh network connection can often clear temporary routing issues and restore access to the server. If the error is still happening, another common fix is clearing the Epic Games Launcher Webcache. The Webcache stores temporary data, and if that data becomes corrupted, the launcher can fail to connect correctly. First, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. Check the system tray and exit it fully if it's still running. Then press Windows key and R, type %local app data % and press Enter. Inside that folder, open Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved and find the Webcache folder. Delete the Webcache folder and don't worry, the launcher will rebuild it automatically the next time it opens. Once that's done, relaunch Epic Games and test the connection again. Another thing that can cause connection issues is a VPN. If you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily and try again. Epic Games may block or struggle with certain VPN near routes, and that can trigger the connecting to server error. So turn off the VPN completely, then restart the launcher and see if it connects normally. If you're still stuck, the next step is to run Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to access the network properly. Find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. If that fixes the issue, you may want to keep using the admin option when launching it in the future. That can help avoid permission-related connection problems. At this point, one of these methods should have fixed the Epic Games error connecting to server. If your launcher is now working, that's awesome. If not, go back and repeat the steps carefully, especially the DNS reset, cache clear, and server status check. These are the most common solutions and usually solve the issue for most users. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming and software troubleshooting guides. And if you want, drop a comment below and let me know which step fixed the problem for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.